Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up the side home button in Redmi 13c. So for this procedure, all you guys have to do just go to settings and then scroll it down. As you guys see, we have option of home screen. Just click on home screen and then click on system navigation. In system navigation we have two options, gesture and button. So in this option we have these buttons which is used for back, for home screen and for see latest apps. So if you want to change it from button to gesture, just select gestures and then you see we don't have any buttons here now. So for going back, all you guys have to do just swipe like this. So it means we are now going to back. And if you guys want to go home screen, so just swipe up. It means we are now on home screen. And if you guys want to see the recent applications, recent open tabs, all you guys have to do just swipe up and press here. So you guys see we have these applications open. Just clear it out, and this is how we can change the button setup in Redmi 13c. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.